NC Piedmont Outdoors presents One Pot Thanksgiving Dinner.
All right, hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. Back out at the campsite here. We hunted this morning, didn't see a whole lot, but now we're back and I've got to cook us a meal. It's lunchtime, so what am I going to do? Well, it's November, and last November I made a Thanksgiving dinner in a Canteen cup, but now since Brody's here with me, I'm going to make Thanksgiving dinner in a pot. So I've got my Stanley 2-bowl Cookset. I've got my Pathfinder skillet that I'm going to use to make probably the potatoes in. And I've got some turkey stuffing, some turkey gravy mix. I got a can of chunk turkey. I got some garlic roast potatoes. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get this all cooked up in a pot and we're going to celebrate a little Thanksgiving early here at the hunting property with my friend Brody. So let me go ahead and start getting the stove lit and getting the stuff in the pots and start cooking, and I'll bring you right back to show you what I'm going to do. All right, everybody, so I got the stove lit. I've got the pot on here warming up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this can of chunk white turkey meat from Walmart that I got when I came out to the property today. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to dump everything right in there. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Get all that turkey in there. Awesome. Let me get my spoon, and I'm just going to go ahead and stir this out. Got it. Done. So we'll just get rid of this can later. Alright, so I'm just going to go and heat this turkey. I left the water that was in the can, put it in the pot, so we'll just heat it all up together. And then once that starts heating up and starts to boil, I'm going to go ahead and add the gravy mix and then just kind of add that right in there. So I got this, again, Great Value gravy turkey mix packet. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this. This calls for, let's see, 1 cup cold water. So I've got my water jug over there. So I'm just going to go ahead and add probably about half a cup, maybe a little more than half, because there's already some liquid obviously from the can. So we'll go ahead and get this heated up. Then once we have that heated, like I said, we'll add the turkey. So I'll bring it right back as soon as that's ready to go. Alright, everybody, so I've got the turkey and water there boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and add my gravy mix. I'm going to go ahead and rip open this package, and I'm going to add this right into the bowl, just like that. I'm going to turn down the gas, and I'm going to get I have these measuring cups I got from the dollar store, so I'm going to get a half a cup of water. Take the lid off. And I dropped my cups. Alright, no worries. Alright, let's see. Where's my half cup again? Alright, so I got my half cup. I'm going to add a half cup water. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and mix this. And we'll get that gravy all mixed with the turkey meat. Take a look at that. That is looking really good right now. So yeah, this is going to be a 1 pot. So I thought I'd end up using my Pathfinder frying pan, but you know what? I said 1 pot Thanksgiving. That's what it's going to be. We're going to do 1 pot. So we'll just mix everything in here together. So let's go ahead and get this warmed up, and as soon as this starts to boil a little bit, then I'm going to go ahead and add the mashed potatoes, and we'll mix those in together and let those mashed potatoes absorb some of that gravy flavor. Get those in there with some more water, and then we'll go ahead and do obviously the stuffing last. So as soon as this starts to boil up, I'll bring you right back to show you. All right, everybody, so I put the lid on my Stanley pot here and open it up, and the gravy and turkey just starting to bubble. Give this a quick stir. That looks amazing. Alright, let's give that just another few minutes with the lid on, and then we'll go ahead and add the garlic potatoes.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from our sponsors. First of all, Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for a hunter. And if you're interested in getting a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas. If you're looking for pool or spa needs, please give them a call. And Sign Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.signscientist.com or call 919-685-7641.
All right, let's take the lid off again. All right, we've got a nice little bubble going there. I'll show you that real quick. That looks absolutely delicious. Let's keep that on the flame. I'm going to go ahead and open this pack of roasted garlic complete potatoes from, again, Great Value Walmart. Thanks, Walmart. All right, I'll go ahead and open that. All right, my knife back. All right, so now I've got, right here, roasted garlic complete potatoes. Oh, here, go ahead and add these in. Oh yeah, perfect. Now these instructions call for 2 cups boiling water, so what I'm gonna do, since I probably have, I'm just gonna add about a half a cup, add that in. If I need more, I'll go ahead and add it. I'm gonna turn the gas up and we'll start to mix this together. Wow, this looks amazing. This is turkey gravy, garlic mashed potatoes at this point. So kind of give you just a little view of what that looks like. It smells absolutely amazing. You can definitely smell the garlic in there. So I'm going to add a touch. Leave it off the heat for a second. I'm just going to add a splash of water. I want them nice and creamy. I don't want them too lumped together. Okay, turn the gas down again. Okay. Now, I don't want the bottom to burn, so I got to be careful here. But I do want them heated through. And then, the last part, we're going to go ahead and add the stuffing. So, let's see. Let's open this up. So again, I have Great Value turkey stuffing. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. I got this whole big bag. So do I want to use all of this? Probably not. Probably use about half the bag. And this calls for about 1.5 cups of water. So maybe we'll just do another quick cup of water. And I'll save the rest for another recipe. So obviously just comes in this one bag like this. So let's go ahead and put that. All right. And I'll go ahead. I'm going to add. There's about half the bag. That's not too bad. Just do a little more. Perfect. So is that about half? That looks about half, right? Maybe a little touch more, you think? Do a touch more. Oh, look at those spices. Looks awesome. All right. Let's fold this over, put it back in the box. Save that for another cook. Get rid of this garbage over here. All right, so now I'm going to add my measuring cups again. I'm going to go ahead and take, I think about a cup of water, and add that in here. Maybe a splash more. All right, that's good. All right, now let's get this over here on the heat and start mixing this together. And let that water heat up and let the stuffing absorb the moisture. Oh Oh boy, that looks absolutely perfect. So got that on the heat. I'm going to put this on low. I'm going to put the lid back on and just let that heat up to boil. So I know this just absolutely looks amazing. It smells amazing right now. It actually is Thanksgiving in a pot. So let's go ahead and let that heat up some more, and then as soon as it's done, I'll kind of show you what the final product looks like. All right, everybody, this has been cooking now for about another 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off. I can hear it sizzling on the bottom. I don't want it to burn on the bottom, so I'm just going to kind of lift the lid off and kind of show you exactly what it looks like. Look at that. That is a giant one-pot Thanksgiving dinner. This is absolutely awesome. I can't wait. I'm going to turn off the gas. Can't wait to share this with my buddy Brody, who's over there taking a nap right now in his hammock. But you know, it's November, it's Thanksgiving. A lot of crazy stuff going on in the world today. Certainly politics, inflation, and everything else. And with Thanksgiving around the corner, it's good to be thankful, you know, for what you have, whether it's your family, your friends, you know, the things that you have in your life. You really should be thankful for, because there's probably a lot of us out there who are more fortunate than others, as we all know. But it's important to just recognize the people in your life, be thankful for them, be thankful for the things that you have. I'm thankful that I have this hunting property to come to and be able to hunt. I'm thankful I've got good friends that I made throughout my life and in college, and my friend Brody here from college came down to kind of hunt on the property with me and have the opportunity to spend some time with him. And now him and I are going to share this Thanksgiving in a pot, one-pot Thanksgiving meal. So thanks everybody for watching. If you do like what you see, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe. We're still trying to grow the channel. We're up to 64 subscribers, so we're really trying to make this channel something people want to watch and try to get it monetized, obviously. We've got some new things coming, some new intros, some new closings that we're working on. So really appreciate all the views and all the comments and any kind of advice you might have if you're watching. So thanks everybody. Have a great Thanksgiving. Hopefully you're spending it time with your loved ones and your family, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.